Hello, hello! I am so happy that you're here today because we're gonna be comparing some alcohol markers. As you might remember, some weeks back I bought some materials from Temu. They were very inexpensive and we're trying to figure it out if they're a good option for starting artists. Which is why today we're gonna be comparing them to some other very affordable markers like Ohuhu and some more expensive markers. But before we start with the comparison, I always like to swatch them. Swatching helps me know what colors I have to create a color palette when I need it, but also I save them as catalogs so that I can see my different markers and the different colors that they have. Here you can see all the markers that I have. I have a very nice collection, I can say, and we're gonna be comparing them in a minute. But first I want to make sure that I'm being fair, so I'm looking colors that are alike, which is when this swatching catalog comes very handy. Of course, I'm gonna be comparing them to Ohuhu, which is a great affordable option, but I didn't know if I wanted to compare them to Temu or Prismacolor, and I guess Prismacolor won. And even though I seem to have all the same colors in all three brands, I want to make sure that they're pretty relatable, or if I have to switch them a little bit, especially with markers that I have a broader palette, more color options if you will, so we can start also experimenting with them before the final illustration we're gonna do today. And as you can see, so far we're doing pretty well. Some colors are looking very good together. There are some variations in tone and color as expected, but overall I think we can do something nice with them. Orange, they look pretty alike. Green as well, especially after changing the Ohuhu marker I chose. With the dark blue or Prussian blue, I see that Ohuhu looks similar to the Touch Jump. Whether in the purple, it's the Touch Jump with the Prismacolor, and black looks pretty amazing overall. Now that we know what we have to work with, let's do some blending tests and check if they're compatible amongst each other. Let's start by blending their each to their own, and you can see here how they look. Remember that I have somewhere in my channel a video with different blending techniques if you're interested. After blending 2 colors and 3 colors, here you can see the results. Remember that I kept this blend within the brand, but now I want to try how compatible they are as in blending all the brands together. Something that I sometimes do when I'm illustrating because I don't have all the colors in one same brand. I have to say they don't look that bad to me. What do you think? Because now we're gonna do the illustration, and again I'm gonna keep each illustrator within a brand. To save some time, I printed an illustration of my hero Academia that I'm gonna use for this test. I learned what type of printer is best so that the ink doesn't run, and also what type of paper is best for alcohol markers. I like using Bristol paper. There's others that you can use, but Bristol is the one that works for me. And again, it's always about testing your materials in different media. Something that I do often in this channel, so make sure that if you like this type of content, you give me a follow. Also remember that I give advice regarding organization and productivity, especially with journaling. And if you're looking for a shortcut to get organized for life and school, you can always get my notebook in Amazon. here is the final result, and I cannot tell you which is my favorite because I like different things from each illustration. In some I like the skin, in some I like the hair, in some I like the clothes. But what I really want to know is which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. And in the meantime, keep creative, keep safe, and always, always be kind. And I'll see you soon. Bye! Please like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time!